There he goes. You got a southbound UP train coming. Gates are going down. Sorry if I was quiet for a minute. I was trying to get most of the horn blast that he was doing, as you guys can hear. It's a GEVO leader. Sounds like the lead unit was 5414. For UP. You'll be taking the 2-track doing 40 miles an hour. Here it comes, guys. We're gonna have a southbound intermodal train. UB 5414, 6029 and 5599. I know we got auto racks. There's some cool containers right here on the manifest. Cool. Got coil. A lot of coil. PCS grain car that doesn't even say PCS on it, but it was former PCS. More of them, nice. Seen that grain car right there before. Alright guys, here comes the end of the train. There it goes, so let's drive and peace out.